Hello YouTube and welcome to another meditation. Today we're going to do soft belly breathing. So to reduce anxiety, start by taking a moment to relax your body. Soften any unnecessary tension in your belly and shoulder. And find a posture that feels both relaxed and alert. Now close your eyes or look downwards and rest your hands in an easy, effortless way. Take a few moments to scan your awareness through the sensations of your body, and wherever possible, soften and release obvious areas of physical tension. Relax your breath and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This may be a little unfamiliar, but when done, it's a natural, easygoing way. It can be a very relaxing way to breathe. Now again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Now let your belly be soft. If the belly is soft, more oxygen goes to the bottom of the lungs, and there's better oxygen exchange. Oxygen moves more easily into the blood, and it goes to all the cells in the body, including the cells in the brain, and supplying your brain with the nourishment it needs. If the belly is soft, it helps to activate the vagus nerve. Vagus means wandering, and this nerve wanders up through the abdomen and chest, back to the central nervous system in the brain, and it promotes relaxation. It's an antidote to the flight or fight stress response. Breathing deeply, activating the vagus nerve, helps relaxation to come. And as the belly is soft and you breathe deeply, all the other muscles in the body begin to relax as well. And you can feel that now. Some people like thinking of the word soft as they breathe in, and belly as they breathe out. See what that feels like for you. Soft as you breathe in, and belly as you breathe out. If thoughts come, let them go, and gently bring your mind back to soft on the inhale and belly on the exhale. soft as you breathe in, and belly as you breathe out. Soft as you breathe in, and belly as you breathe out. Now, slowly open your eyes and bring your attention back into the room. And notice how you feel. And notice what's changed from before you began to do this soft belly practice to now. You may feel a little bit calmer. Your heart rate may feel like it's a bit slower. You may be seeing the room around you with a little bit more clarity. Maybe your shoulders are more relaxed. And see if you can bring this same quality of kind awareness, of soft relaxation in the core of your body and being with you throughout the day. Thank you for your mindfulness practice as you continue to feel less and less anxious in your body and mind.